Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and this is just a quick overview of reminders versus tasks. On the left-hand side under my calendars, you're going to see reminders. Mine is turned off. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And when I go to add an event, if I click once on the day, I'm now going to see the choice to add a reminder. When I add a reminder, it's actually going to, I'm going to say check the mail. It's going to add that to my calendar. Okay, I can give it a date, I can tell it whether I want it to repeat or not, and I can choose a specific time if I want, or have it be all day. I'm going to have it be all day, and it's going to create this on my calendar. Now, if I don't do this today and check it off, mark as done, it's going to move to the next day, and the reminder will stay there until I complete it. Now, if I don't want to use reminders, you can use tasks. And the way that you change to tasks is go to options and switch to tasks. Tasks is going to come up as a list on the right-hand side of your screen. These do not put the tasks on your calendar. They only come up in list form. So I'm going to say check the mail, and I can make a list of things to do. When I have completed that task, I can check it off or delete down here in the bottom. So that's the difference between reminders and tasks. You're only going to see reminder as an option if you turn it on. If it's off, it won't be there. And it's totally up to you as to whether or not you want to use them. It's just personal preference. If not, you can just turn that right off.